Good morning. I have to show you all a little experiment that I've been doing. So it started like this, but the freeze killed all of these Swiss chards. But thankfully I had these trays, and so I just brought them in during the freeze. And the experiment is all about different compost teas. So here is worm casting compost tea. Then we have goat compost tea from goat poo. And then we have rabbit compost tea from the rabbit cleanout. And then this needs a refill, but this is a combo compost tea with worm, goat, rabbit, and then I added eggshells too, and then I'm going to add some banana peels today. And here are the results. So I put these here right now, but they have been at the same height in the greenhouse to get the same amount of sunlight, but just to compare, I put them all here right now. So this is with just rainwater from the creek. This is with goat. So goat barn clean out compost tea. Here is the worms. Worm casting compost tea. And here is the rabbits. I thought that the rabbits and the worms were neck and neck, but the rabbits are totally kicking butt. Just rainwater. Rabbit compost tea. Amazing. Last year I thought the goat compost tea did really good, but in contrast the rabbits are just way farther ahead. And then here's combo, which they look pretty good. The Swiss chards, they died in the freeze, but those look really great too. And that's with combo. So I'm super excited to continue this, especially with the tomatoes and the peppers. And based off of what I'm seeing, I think that I will focus on rabbits and combo. This is all going to look so different so soon. It's kind of the beginning, middle of February. It's supposed to be 70 degrees today, and that means spring is coming.